Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect CrowdStrike Falcon to manage endpoint privacy settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect CrowdStrike Falcon to manage endpoint privacy settings, begin by logging into your CrowdStrike Falcon console. Navigate to the Configuration tab on the left side of the dashboard. From the Configuration options, select Privacy Management. In the Privacy Management section, review the existing privacy settings and policies. Click on the Add New Policy button to create a new privacy policy. Provide a descriptive name for your new policy to easily identify its purpose. Next, configure the settings according to your organization's privacy requirements. This may include options such as data retention periods and user consent requirements. Once you have configured the settings, save your new policy. To apply the new policy, return to the Endpoints section. Select the endpoint or group of endpoints you wish to manage. You'll find an option labeled Policy Assignment. Use this option to assign the newly created privacy policy to the selected endpoints. Review your selections to ensure the correct policy is applied. Confirm the assignment by clicking on the Assign Policy button. After the policy is assigned, check the Policy Overview to monitor active policies on the endpoints. Make sure that the new privacy settings are active and functioning as expected. For thoroughness, conduct a compliance check on the endpoints to verify adherence to the new privacy policy. You may also want to review user feedback to ensure that the privacy settings meet user acceptance. Adjust the policy as necessary based on the feedback and compliance results. Finally, document the changes made for future reference and auditing purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.